students, welcome to Easy Way to Learn Maths. In this session, we will discuss about complex numbers, definition, properties and some formulae relating with complex numbers. Here, z equal to a plus ib, z equal to a plus ib is a complex number which can also be written as an ordered pair AB. Here, A is the real part and B is the imaginary part. Z equal to A plus IB is a complex number, or in this case it is represented by ordered pair also AB, where AB belongs to R is a complex number, and where I square is equal to minus 1. Now let us discuss some properties relating with complex numbers. If Z1 equal to AB and Z2 equal to CD, here A is the real part of the complex number and B is nothing but the coefficient of I. B is called imaginary part. So Z1 equal to AB and Z2 equal to CD, then the sum of the complex numbers. Here the sum is you have to add only real part to real part. Here the real part of Z1 is A and the real part of Z2 is C. Therefore, Z1 plus Z2 becomes real part A plus C, and similarly the imaginary part of Z1 is B and the imaginary part of Z2 is D, so that their sum becomes B plus D. Similarly, same concept is applicable for difference also, subtraction. Z1 minus Z2 is equal to subtracting the real part from real part and imaginary part from imaginary part. Therefore, A minus C, B minus D. And the additive identity of the complex number AB is 0, 0. Okay? Because A plus 0 is A, B plus 0 also equal to B. And the additive inverse of AB is minus A minus B. That is, to get the additive inverse of a given complex number, just simply you have to change signs. Okay. Then multiplication of Z1 and Z2. Z1 dot Z2 is equal to AB dot CD. Here we can make use of this formula. AB dot CD is equal to AC minus BD, AD plus BC. Then multiplicative identity is 1, 0. Let us verify. AB dot 1, 0 is equal to, as per the formula, AC minus BD. AC A minus BD 0, comma. Again AD A into 0, 0 plus BC B to 1 B. That is equal to A B. That is, if you multiply a given complex number with 1, 0, again we are going to get A, B, same complex number. That's why it is called the multiplicative identity. And multiplicative inverse. Here also one formula for finding the multiplicative inverse. If Z equal to AB, then the multiplicative inverse of Z is A by A square plus B square minus B by A square plus B square. And similarly, for the division of complex numbers also, there is one formula, Z1 by Z2, where Z1 equal to AB and Z2 is equal to CD, then it is nothing but AC plus BD by C square plus D square and BC minus AD by C square plus D square. These are the some properties and formulas relating with complex numbers. Now, based on these properties and formulae, let us solve some problems. Okay? Now let us solve these problems. Here, if Z1 equal to 2 minus 1 and Z2 equal to 6, 3, find Z1 minus Z2. We already explained that either Z1 plus Z2 or Z1 minus Z2, we have to make use of that. First of all, we have to add real parts and then imaginary parts. Now here, Z1 minus Z2 implies Z1 minus Z2 is equal to real part minus real part, 2 minus 6, comma, and again imaginary part here is minus 1, here minus 3. Therefore that is equal to minus 4 minus 4, which is Z1 minus Z2. Now if Z1 equal to 3 5 and Z2 equal to 2 6, find Z1 dot Z2. Now let us make use of that formula. What is the formula? AB dot CD is equal to AC minus BD comma then AD plus BC. Here AB is 3 5 and CD is 2 6. Let us substitute in this formula. Therefore 3 5 dot 2 6 is equal to AC minus BD. AC 3 into 2 6 minus BD 5 into 6 30 comma AD plus BC. AD 3 6 18 plus BC 5 2 10. Therefore that is equal to minus 24 comma 28, which is the product. And then write the additive inverse of 2 1 dot. Here it is. You have to find additive inverse of the product of this complex number. First of all, let us find the product. Then again 2 1 dot minus 4 6, same formula. That is equal to here A B C D. Formula again AC minus BD. Therefore AC minus 8 minus BD 6 comma again AD plus BC 2 into 6 12 plus 1 into minus 4 minus 4. Therefore that is equal to minus 14 comma 12 minus 4 8. Therefore the given complex number is converted into this form, simplified form, minus 14 8. That is nothing but minus 14 plus 8. Now we have to find the additive inverse of this given complex number. Therefore additive inverse of minus 14 8 is, to find the additive inverse, just we need to change the signs of both real part and imaginary part. Here the real part is minus 14, that's why it becomes plus 14, and the imaginary part is here 8, that's why it becomes minus 8. Therefore the additive inverse of this product is nothing but 14 comma minus 8. Then again if Z1 equal to 6 3 and Z2 equal to 2 comma minus 1, find the division Z1 by Z2. We know that the formula for division is if Z1 equal to AB and Z2 equal to CD. The formula for division is here AC plus BD by C square plus D square. It's a real part, and the imaginary part is BC minus AD by C square plus D square. Now let us substitute in this formula. Here AB is 6 3 and CD is 2 comma minus 1. Let us substitute. Therefore that is equal to AC plus BD 6 into 2 12 plus BD 3 into minus 1 minus 3 by C square plus D square 2 square plus minus 1 whole square comma again BC minus AD BC 3 to 6 minus AD 6 into minus 1 minus 6 by again 2 square plus of minus 1 whole square. Now let us simplify. Therefore 12 minus 3 9 by 4 plus 1 5. Here 6 plus 6 12 by 4 plus 1 5. Therefore the division of Z1 by Z2 is 9 by 5 12 by 5. Now if Z equal to cos theta sin theta, find Z minus 1 by Z. Here 1 by Z is nothing but the inverse of Z. Let us find first of all 1 by Z. Therefore 1 by Z is equal to cos theta sin theta. 1 by cos theta sin theta, that is equal to the multiplied inverse formula is A by A square plus B square. Therefore here A is cos theta, B is sin theta. Therefore cos theta by A square plus B square, cos square theta plus sin square theta comma minus b by minus sin theta by cos square theta plus sin square theta. Here cos square theta plus sin square theta becomes 1. Therefore, which is nothing but simply cos theta comma minus sin theta, which is nothing but 1 by z. Now let us find the value of z minus 1 by z, that is equal to z is cos theta sin theta minus 1 by z is cos theta minus sin theta. Now let us subtract. Therefore, that is equal to cos theta minus cos theta 0 comma here sin theta minus of minus sin theta, that becomes plus sin theta. Therefore, sin theta plus sin theta 2 sin theta, which is the value of z minus 1 by z. Now let us find the multiplicative inverses of sin theta cos theta and then 7 and 24. Same formula. The multiplicative inverse of AB is a by a square plus b square minus b by a square plus b square. We already applied this formula here. So here in place of a is sin theta and in place of b is cos theta, that is equal to the multiplicative inverse of sin theta cos theta is equal to a by means sin theta by a square plus b square is sin square theta plus cos square theta comma minus b by means minus cos theta by sin square theta plus cos square theta. Therefore, that is equal to here also sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, simply the multiplicative inverse is sin theta minus cos theta. The multiplicative inverse of sin theta cos theta is sin theta minus cos theta. Let us evaluate the multiplicative inverse of 7 and 24 also. Same formula. Therefore, the multiplicative inverse of 7 24 is 7 by 7 square plus 24 whole square comma minus 24 by 7 square plus 24 whole square. Therefore, that is equal to 7 by 625, 24 whole square plus 49 whole square becomes 625 and minus 24 by 625. Here it is the multiplicative inverse of 7 comma 24. Now conjugate of a complex number. Let z equal to a plus ib. Then the conjugate of z is denoted by z bar. Z bar is equal to a minus ib. If z equal to a plus ib, then z bar is equal to a minus ib is called the conjugate of z. Here simply to find the conjugate of a given complex number, simply you have to change the sign of the imaginary part only. To get the complex conjugate of a given complex number, just you have to change the sign of the imaginary part only. Here the imaginary part sign is plus, that's why we have changed it into minus. Therefore, a minus ib is nothing but the complex conjugate. Now let us solve these problems. To express 4 plus 2i by 1 minus 2i plus 3 plus 4i by 2 plus 3i in the form of a plus ib. That is, here actually total 4 complex numbers are given and it is asked to simplify in terms of only one complex number. First of all, you have to remember that whenever there is a complex number in the denominator, you have to convert that complex number into a real number, okay, an integer, of course. So to convert that part of denominator into complex real part, first of all you have to multiply that complex number with its conjugate. So 4 plus 2i by 1 minus 2i into just in the type of rationalization. So the conjugate of 1 minus 2i is 1 plus 2i. Therefore, let us multiply this complex number with 1 plus 2i in both numerator and denominator. Similarly, we have to apply the same concept for this complex number also. Here it is 3 plus 4i by 2 plus 3i. Then the conjugate of 2 plus 3i is 2 minus 3i. Here also multiplying with 2 minus 3i. It is the first step. Therefore, that is equal to, now we know that Actually, the product of a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. But in case of complex numbers, a plus ib into a minus ib is equal to, by applying this formula, a square minus ib whole square, that is equal to a square. We know that I square is minus 1, therefore minus into minus plus b square, which is the formula used in case of complex numbers. If a plus ib into a minus ib, the product is nothing but a square plus b square. Applying that concept here. First of all, let us multiply these two numerators, a, b, c, d. We can apply the formula or directly we can multiply. No need to apply the formula always. So let us multiply 4 ones are 4 plus again 4 into 2, 8i, again 2i into 1, 2i, again 2 twos are 4, I into I square is minus 1 pi. Now a plus ib into a minus ib is a square plus b square, therefore 1 square plus 2 square plus, same concept. Here let us multiply these two complex numbers. 3 twos are 6 plus into minus minus 3 threes are 9i, and again with 4i. 4 twos are plus 8i plus into minus minus 4 threes are 12 into I square is minus 1 by, here also a plus ib into a minus ib, a square plus b square, therefore 2 square is 4 plus, let us write 2 square, and then here it is 3 square, therefore that is equal to, now let us simplify, plus 4 minus 4 get cancelled, therefore here 8i plus 2i, total 10i by, here it is 5 plus, here plus 12 plus 6, 18 minus 9i plus 8i minus I by, here 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 9 plus 4, 13. Now the LCM is 65. 5 13 ja, 13 10 ja, 130i. Again here 13 5 ja, 5 into this part, therefore that is equal to 18 5 is 90 minus 5 1 is 5, therefore that is equal to 130i minus 5i, it is nothing but 125i plus 90 by 65. If you want, you can separate the denominator, that is equal to 125i by 65 plus 90 by 65, which is the simplified form of this given complex number. Okay, it is answer. Next, let us simplify this problem also. Here they express 1 minus I whole cubed into 1 plus I in the form of again a plus I. Now let us simplify. Given 1 minus I whole cubed into 1 plus I is equal to, let us convert into two parts this one. A cubed can be written as a square into a. Likewise here 1 minus I whole square into 1 minus I into 1 plus I, that is equal to, here it is in the form of a plus b whole square, therefore let us apply the formula a square plus b square minus a minus b square, 2 into 1 into I. Here again come back to this formula, a plus ib into a minus ib is a square plus b square. Here a is equal to 1, b is also equal to 1, therefore 1 square plus 1 square, that is equal to 1, I square is minus 1, here minus 2i into 2, here plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, 2 into 2, therefore minus 4i, it is the answer. It can also be written as 0 minus 4i, it is the simplified form. Okay, with this we conclude this session. Thank you for watching.